Hi, Jihen. I really understand your question. It's a good one. So the difference between a question like number 34 and 37 is as you had stated. So there's a couple things I want to show you. For question 34, you're absolutely right the way that you've been doing it, that I could see from your video. So because we have a whole bunch of zeros in both our dividend and our divisor, we can take the 1 0 away from the 90, and then accordingly we take 1 0 away from our dividend. So at that point, we can carry that 1 0 over to our answer, and then we just have 45 divided by -9, which is -5. So we end up getting -50 as a result there, using a bit of a shortcut method. But for 37, the problem is that you don't have any zeros in your divisor, so there's nothing to remove there. Now you can take 1 0 away from your dividend, but you can't take 2 zeros. Okay, so you could cross out here, but the problem is you have only 18, right? So 18 would be too small if you cancel out a couple zeros. So what you can do is keep it as 180. 180 divided by 36. So you're going to move the 1 0 over to your answer, and then you're going to do, but you're still really looking at it as 180 divided by 36, not 18 divided by 36. And 180 divided by 36 is 5, and that's a negative divided by positive, so it's going to be -50 as well. And sometimes when I'm not quite sure, and this happens to me too with the zeros, I'll set it up as long division. So I'll put the 36 outside and the 1,800 inside, and I know my answer is going to be negative. And then I'll go ahead and just kind of double check myself. Well, 36 doesn't go into 1, it doesn't go into 18, so 180, 5 times, that makes 180. And then all we have left is a 0. So we just pop the 0 in the answer. So we come to the conclusion that way. And the same thing goes with a question like 39. 39, you don't have any zeros in your divisor. You just have a 9. So because it's a single digit, you can't even cross off one of those zeros in your dividend. So we're not canceling anything. What we're going to do is take those 2 zeros and move them to the answer, because the single digit won't remove a 0 like a double digit would. And then we have -54 divided by -9, which is going to be a +6. So that's how we come to 600. And when in doubt, set up your long division just to double check yourself. But that's how it would look. 9 into 54 goes 6 times, that's perfect. And then we bring those zeros, and the answer will be positive. So I hope this video helps you, and if you have any more questions, please contact me. And I really like that you made those videos too. That was a great idea. Thanks. Take care.